we are given f of x plus 2 equals to 4x plus 5. We have to find x minus 1. Okay, now let's not rush into this. Now this one, it looks very complicated though, but we will try as much as possible to provide a solution to this problem. Okay, now if this side is only one term, okay, we can equate that term to this. But here the case we have two terms here, x plus 2. It will be difficult. So what we are going to do is to let a variable be that. So let m be x plus 2. So let's make x the subject here. So we have m minus 2 equals to x. So let's do substitution here, x, okay? So we have f of m minus 2 plus 2, okay? So I'll do same here, m minus 2 plus 5. So this one will cancel this. I will left with f of m equals to 4m minus 8 plus 5. So f of m equals to 4m minus 3. So we have this. Now with this, we can go ahead and then equate what we have here to this. So to find f of x minus 1, we have to equate the f. So this one will be m equals to x minus 1. So we can find f of x minus 1 for x minus 1 minus 3. So we have 4x minus 4 minus 3. So we have 4x minus 7 as the answer. All right.